Pardon me. Mastering the Art of Polite Interruptions. Hello everyone. Today we're going to focus on an important aspect of conversational English, specifically when we need to interrupt someone politely. The phrase we'll be studying is, "Pardon me for interrupting." Remember, it's not just what we say, but how we say it that matters. The phrase, "Pardon me for interrupting," is a polite way of indicating that you need to break into a conversation or an ongoing task. It shows respect for the other person's time and attention. This phrase is formal and is usually used in professional or more formal social situations. Politeness and tone are vital in these situations. You might use, "Pardon me for interrupting," in a business meeting when you have a pressing question or an urgent matter to discuss. It can also be used in a one-on-one conversation when the other person is speaking, and you need to interject. This phrase signifies that you are aware that you are causing an interruption, and you are apologizing for it in advance. There are several ways you can modify the phrase, depending on the situation. You might say, "Excuse me for interrupting," or, "I'm sorry to interrupt." These alternatives essentially convey the same sentiment. They all show that you respect the person you're speaking to, and you acknowledge that you're temporarily breaking the flow of conversation. In practice, you might use the phrase like this. 1. Pardon me for interrupting, but I have some important news to share. 2. Excuse me for interrupting, but I need to add something to your point. Remember, the key is to immediately follow the phrase with the reason you're interrupting, so the other person understands why you're breaking into the conversation. Mastering polite phrases like, "Pardon me for interrupting," is a key part of sounding professional and respectful in English. The next time you find yourself needing to interject, try using this phrase. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video.